Hi guys, welcome back. I'm here for I believe this is Temu and AliExpress perfumes. I wanted to definitely show you guys what I got. What is this? Which one this is? This is the Arabayet Sugar Vanilla Cream Macaron. So there's that one. And I got the guys one. This is the His Confession. I'm excited about this. I'll do the men's one first. AliExpress, the His Confessions, and the other one's from Temu. And this one is the Arabayet Sugar Coconut Chiffon. So I got this one because I'm like, oh, coconut. And, okay, I'm going to have to look at the scent notes on these. Okay, so we're going to do the His Confession. So it comes packaged like that, like the Her Confession. And it's $31 on Temu or on Amazon. And I got it for $20.75 on AliExpress. So I saved over $10. So here's your... And it says, His Confession, I must confess, your aura inspires me to lead with confidence. Through my days, encouraging me to explore the unknown. You bring power to my mind and warmth to my soul, making you irresistible. Tonka, you are my passion, by Latafa. And it's a velvet box. You guys are, yeah, that's nice. Okay. So the scent notes on this are, oh, there they are. Top notes are mandarin, cinnamon, and lavender. So this is the one I was curious about because it has lavender in it. And I believe it was Sir Wenzelot was asking me if lavender could be masculine. I guess it is. So I'm really excited about this one. The heart notes are iris, cypress, benzoin, and mahonial. Base notes are vanilla, tonka bean, patchouli, cedarwood, incense, and amber. So we're going to see. Okay. Yes. And I smell, that is good. Ooh, I like that. This will pair perfectly with mine. It's definitely masculine for sure. But I get that note. It makes it just slightly... you do smell the lavender for sure. But that is good, you guys. That's like edible manly. So yeah, it is a luscious fragrance. I love these. They're so nice. And it's heavy. So yeah, I think you should get it. It's one of those that'll set you apart from every other man that smells like Axe soap and deodorant. Okay, so we're going to do the vanilla cream macaron. Why can't it ever be easy? So this one was $24.64. Let's see what so the top notes are ripe banana, airy chantilly cream. I wanted that chantilly cream. The heart is velvety vanilla custard, sweet almond, and the base is soft vanilla, creamy musk, and a hint of sugar glaze. We'll see. We will see. Oh my God. Look at the macarons. This is my kind of packaging. But it's not, that is heavy. That is not like a light bottle at all. It's got that cream. Look at that cream. Okay, let's see. Better smell edible. Oh yes. I'll be a minute. I can smell that chantilly cream. Oh my God. Is this my new favorite? It is. Oh my God, you guys. I just can't. That is like nothing else I have smelt. Polly, your girl, she's gonna get some of this. Hi. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna spray this on me too. Usually, if I have other stuff on, I won't do that. For me not to have words, I have no words for how good that actually is. Like that chantilly cream is what I smell the most. And that's what I wanted. You know, banana is fine. Yeah, ripe banana. But the thing is, it's not like that chantilly cream is a light, airy cream, but like it's not, I wouldn't say this isn't what you would wear to work. It's a gourmand. Straight up gourmand. I'm going to spray this on me and see what my husband says. He might not say anything. I got to do the spray out. I find no words to, it's like you walk in a bakery and they've got like the baked part done, but they're whipping the cream up. Oh, I can envision it. And they have another one. I think it's like a strawberry macaron. You guys, that's worth every penny. I hope it lasts. Okay. Now for the coconut chiffon. This one is this the same? Yeah, it's both the same perfume company or whatever. Yes. So it's going to be good. They have a sugar berries and cream macaron. We're adding to cart. I'm always scared like the second one's never, it's not. It says playful, creamy, and irresistibly sweet. Sounds like someone else I know, except when I'm behind the wheel. I'm kind of sour. Okay, so top notes, coconut. Middle is coconut and jasmine. Base note, vanilla, butter, cooked sugar, and musk. Oh, this review says, such a pretty bottle and a delicious scent. I'm ordering more. Oh, she sounds like me. Smells, okay. I'm going to read the story about it, or like, what do you call it? The idea information thing. Drift away on a cloud of tropical sweetness with sugar coconut chiffon. A fragrance that captures the light, airy beauty of coconut and jasmine, wrapped in a delicate veil of vanilla sugar and creamy warmth. The ethereal scent opens with the fresh, sunny note of coconut before blooming into a soft heart where coconut meets delicate jasmine petals. The fragrance settles into a cozy, comforting base of vanilla, butter, cooked sugar, and musk, like a freshly baked treat that's both tender and inviting. Perfect for sunny days, relaxed moments, or anyone who loves a scent that's both tropical and tenderly sweet. Me. Let's see if she performs. But I mean, the boxes are kind of shitty, but who cares? Oh, that is so cute. It looks expensive, doesn't it? I mean, it's got like texture to it. It's almost like a rubber right here. Take me away, coconut. Take me away. Speechless. Oh, my heavens above. This is everything in a bag of coconut. These are game changers for the gourmand world. Save your coins on the Five Below stuff. Don't get that. Don't get that. Spend a little more for something like this that'll last you. You won't have to spray the whole damn bottle on, to get an effect. Like, take me away to like a bowl full of sugared coconut. And I mean, what else is there to say? I mean, I can't pick one. That's my favorite. I think the most unusual is this one because it's got more of that chantilly cream. That's like one that I've never been able to get out of a fragrance before. This one's really good though too. Like, you should want to smell edible. Like, in some circumstances, like expensive edible. But I mean, I think of food and think of like whipped cream, and don't you guys like think of like sexy stuff when you think of whipped cream? I do. But yeah, you guys, I've had some good scents lately. But this vanilla cream macaron. And you could definitely layer both of these, but I wouldn't. I would use them on their own. They both have their own like qualities about them. You want them to stand out, right? So yeah, that is my, but this, I want to show this one again because I'm on a live. Make sure you hit your bell notification so you're aware of when I go live, because all my hauls, 90% of the time, 95% of the time are on a live. And always check my lives at the end of the day so you can see what went on. But his confession, you guys, they're good. The packaging is just, it's worth that price just for the packaging, but you're getting a stunning scent. But that's how it looks. It's got like the same packaging as her confession. But this is the one men's fragrance made for men that I've seen that has lavender. And that just did it for me. Because yes, lavender paired with mandarin, cinnamon for top notes, iris, cypress, benzoin, and mahonio, and base notes, vanilla, tonka bean, patchouli, cedarwood, incense, and amber. I don't get a real strong incense in this. Actually, I do a little bit now because it's had time to dry down, but I still get that lavender in it. So yeah, you guys need to check this one out. It's that good. And I might, if you guys want me to, I will sell the samples of it. That is really good. I didn't know that. There goes Polly informing everyone. Thank you guys for being here for that amazing haul. The Middle Eastern, Arabic, they know what's going on. And the thing I love the most is they're reasonably priced. Wow, you don't have to spend $800. But thank you guys for being here. Thank you for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, YouTube even complimented our community on here today. They're like, you have a great community. Yeah, it's great that you're finally noticing, you know? But thank you for all your support. But these are amazing. And for that price, even better. But thank you again for being here. And yeah, hit your like button. Make sure you hype this video. Swipe right down below and you'll see the hype button. And you get 3 a week. If you could use all 3 of my videos, I mean, that would be outstanding. But, you know, anyway, and definitely join us for a live and check out my merch. And I think that's it. And write me a letter in the mail. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.